You are qualified. So why are German companies ignoring you? It is usually not your skills. It is your signals. Hi, welcome back. If you are new here, I make practical career videos for international professionals. Germany is a great job market, but the application culture has a specific structure. Recruiters often scan fast, and they are managing a lot of applicants. In one Stepstone guide, they even mention that 100 emails for one vacancy is not unusual. So your job is simple. Make it easy to say yes to you. Today, I will show you the 3 biggest mistakes and the fixes you can apply today. Quick context. In Germany, applications are usually sent as a PDF by email or uploaded to a company website. And the job ad often tells you what to submit. Usually they want 3 things: a Lebenslauf, an Anschreiben, and supporting documents, often called Zeugnisse. Now let's get into mistake 1. Mistake 1 is simple. Your application looks normal to you, but incomplete to a German recruiter. Here is what German guidance actually says. The CV in Germany is typically a table. Work experience is listed with the most recent job first. Education is also listed with the most recent first. And language skills should be shown using CEFR levels, like German B2 or English C1. Now the missing piece many internationals skip: proof. Official guidance recommends adding essential certificates, like diplomas, and references from previous employers. It also recommends translating certificates into German or English so the company can understand them. Relatable anonymized story. Let's call her Nora. Nora is a finance analyst. She has 5 years of experience, strong results, good companies. She sends one PDF. It is her resume only. No certificates, no degree copy, no references. A recruiter opens it. They want to verify quickly, because they have a lot of applicants, but they cannot. So Nora does not get the interview, not because she is not good, because she is hard to verify fast. Now let's talk about the photo, because everyone asks about the photo. Official guidance says applicants are often expected to include a photo, but it strongly depends on the industry. Glassdoor says you can apply without a photo without fearing disadvantages. And the photo is not banned. It is voluntary. Stepstone also treats the photo as optional today. So what do? Follow the job ad and the application system. If the company clearly prefers no photo, do not add one. If the industry expects one, use a professional one. But never guess blindly. Now the last piece. Length. Stepstone says the cover letter should be a maximum of 1 DIN-A4 page. Stepstone also says the ideal CV length is 1 to 2 pages, depending on experience and role level. And your PDF package should be clean and structured. Stepstone gives a clear order. Optional cover page. Then Anschreiben. Then Lebenslauf. Then Zeugnisse. Then work samples if needed. They also recommend sorting Zeugnisse in reverse chronological order. Newest first. Concise fixes. Here is your fix checklist. 1. Use a tabular Lebenslauf. 2. Keep it 1 to 2 pages. 3. Write a 1-page Anschreiben. 4. Attach only relevant Zeugnisse. Put the newest first. 5. Bundle everything into one PDF in the standard order. 6. Translate key certificates into German or English. That single change makes you feel Germany ready. Mistake 2 is the speed trap. You apply to 30 jobs with one template, same CV, same cover letter. Maybe you change the company name. That's it. In Germany, this fails fast. Stepstone explicitly says, use relevant keywords from the job ad, and they call out ATS systems and recruiters. So yes, keywords matter. LinkedIn's recruiter-focused guidance says hiring managers spend very little time reviewing a resume, and it recommends using keywords from the job description in a natural way. Now, quick ATS reality. Not every company uses the same system, but many do use software filters. LinkedIn's ATS formatting guidance says, use standard headings, keep the design simple, avoid tables, graphics, and columns, and match keywords naturally. Relatable, anonymized story. His name is Hassan. Hassan is a project manager. He has great experience. He makes a beautiful CV, 2 columns, icons, skill bars, charts. It looks great. But it is hard to scan quickly. It can also be hard for systems to parse. He also sends a generic cover letter. It says, "I am highly motivated." No numbers, no proof, no match to the job ad. So the recruiter does not see a fast fit. And Hassan disappears in the pile. Now let's talk about language. Because in Germany, language is often a hiring constraint. Official employer guidance says companies should specify the level of German required, and also state the languages in which they accept applications. That's your signal. If a job ad says German B2 required, treat it like a real requirement, and be honest. Also, do not write German good. Use CEFR. That is the German norm in official guidance. Concise fixes. Here's how you fix mistake 2. Step 1. Take the job ad. Highlight 10 keywords: tools, methods, responsibilities, industry terms. Step 2. Mirror those keywords in your CV, only if they are true. Use them in bullet points with outcomes. Step 3. Keep formatting simple. 1 column is safe. Standard headings are safe. Step 4. Keep the cover letter 1 page. Make it specific. Stepstone says 1 DIN A4 page, maximum. Use 1 mini story. Problem, action, result. Step 5. Match the language. If the company accepts English, English is fine. If they want German, do not submit shaky German. Get it proofread, or apply to roles that match your current level. Mistake 3 is the silent killer. You might be perfect, but hiring you might feel difficult. So recruiters choose the easy yes. There are 3 feasibility signals in Germany. Signal 1 is work eligibility. Can you legally start work soon? Do you need a visa process? An official employer page suggests recruiters should check whether a visa is required for the candidate. So your job is to make this clear early. Signal 2 is recognition. Do you need recognition for your profession? Official recognition guidance says the recognition procedure normally takes 3 to 4 months once complete documents are submitted. It also notes that missing or incomplete documents can delay things. And the recognition portal describes different paths, including a statement of comparability for higher education qualifications in non-regulated professions. Signal 3 is language and culture. BAMF provides a concrete example. For a skilled worker route with vocational training, proof of German language skills corresponding to the occupation is listed as a condition. BAMF also notes that with a job search residence title, you are fundamentally not permitted to work, with limited trial employment exceptions. So recruiters worry about timelines if your status is unclear. Let's call her Maria. Maria applies for a role where recognition is relevant. She sends a strong CV, but she never mentions recognition status. She never mentions a timeline. She never mentions work authorization. The recruiter has a choice. 2 candidates look similar. One is ready to start. One is unknown. Guess who gets the interview? Now, culture. A European university career handout says Germans appreciate straightforward and honest communication. And it says punctuality is highly valued, recommending arriving 10-15 minutes early. So if you come late, or if you answer questions with vague stories, you can be misread as unprepared. And official guidance says interviews may check how well you speak German or English. So your language level must match your claim. Here is the fix. Put 1 short feasibility block in your CV, or in the top of your cover letter. 3 lines. Line 1. Work authorization. For example, EU citizen. Or, non-EU requires visa sponsorship. And give a realistic start date. Line 2. Recognition status if relevant. For example, recognition submitted on month. Or, statement of comparability in progress. Line 3. Language level in CEFR. For example, German B2, English C1. Then in interviews, do 2 things. Be early Be direct. Answer with clear examples. Situation, task, action, result. That is how you feel easy to hire. Let's recap. Mistake 1. Your documents are not Germany standard. Fix it with a tabular Lebenslauf, a one-page Anschreiben, and relevant Zeugnisse in the right order. Mistake 2. You mass apply and ignore keywords and ATS. Fix it by mirroring job ad keywords and keeping formatting simple. Mistake 3. You hide feasibility. Fix it by stating work status, recognition status, and CEFR language level, and show punctuality and direct communication. If this helped, subscribe for more Germany career tips, and comment Germany plus your field, tech, engineering, marketing, healthcare, anything. I will reply with one Germany-specific tweak for your next application. And share this with a friend applying in Germany. See you in the next video.